Tartu is not a big city. It's just the right size. We have plenty of space for great ideas and the guts to make them happen. Over 300,000 people visit Tartu each year. What brings them here? Maybe it's the combination of a 1,000-year history and youthful energy, the street art and vibrant culture, or is it the green and friendly environment? Whatever the reason, we make sure their stay is safe and sustainable. This year, Green Destinations, the international organisation developing sustainable tourism, recognised Tartu with a Platinum-level award. It should not come as a surprise. Tartu has been working hard towards its climate neutrality goals, including improving the impacts of tourism. Several of the city's initiatives have been selected for the Green Destinations Good Practice Stories. In 2020, these were the Tartu Smart Bike Share, a public self-service bike share system, and also public buses that run on natural gas. In 2021, the Car-Free Avenue, a month-long intervention in the heart of the city. In 2022, the guidelines for organising environmentally friendly events. And there is more. In 2023, Tartu was included in the Green Destinations Top 100 Stories for the 4th year running. The transformation of the Port Railway into a green corridor originated from the participative budgeting program. The unused railway branch had become a barrier, and the city government planned to replace it with a ring road for the growing city. But citizens had a different idea. Already in 2018, they proposed the creation of a new pedestrian and cycle path. In 2021, on the 4th attempt, the proposal finally got supported by the public vote. After allocating a budget of €100,000, construction works followed. The road edges were filled with soil, traffic signs and barriers were installed, and speed limits for cars were set on intersections. Finally, benches and trash bins were added. The Green Corridor connects the largest residential neighbourhood with the centre, providing a sustainable mobility option for the city's inhabitants and visitors alike. It is also part of the Urban Life Circles project, which aims to increase biodiversity in the city. And according to a recent noise pollution study, the Green Corridor is one of the calmest places in Tartu. Sounds too good to be true? Come and see for yourself. We'll be happy to host you, at least for another 1,000 years.